Here are 3 mistakes you're making in your profile picture. First, you're showing fake happiness. The only definition of real happiness is when these upper cheek muscles are engaged. So this is a fake smile. So is this. Make sure you are showing a real smile or no smile at all. I love a serious shot, so either be serious, contemplative, or show that real smile all the way up into these upper cheek muscles. 2, you are showing contempt. Contempt is a one-sided mouth raise. It's also known as a smirk. Or is actually hatred, disdain, or scorn. Do not accidentally show contempt. Make sure you have a symmetrical full smile. Or be serious. Third, this one drives me crazy. You are angled away from the camera. I don't know why. There's some photographers that say, do a this, or a that, or a that. I want to make sure you are angled towards the camera. This immediately increases your likability. Your shoulders and your head should be angled right towards the camera. Do not do an over the shoulder and don't cross your arms. I have so many more free tips for you in my newsletter. I send it out every week, and I always have a powerful, interesting, entertaining social hack every single week. Be sure to sign up at scienceofpeople.com.